For our next pattern, we're going to be showing you the lady's underarm turn. Now the man's footwork is the same as the wheel, it's just the lead that is different. So we're going to show you the lady's footwork first. So the lady steps back with her right foot, forward with her left, forward with her right, turning, and back, and now back, right, back again. So you notice now she's turning left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again, the man's footwork is the same, but what I want to be able to do is I'm going to bring my hand under my chin. So we're stepping 1, 2. I'm going to take my left hand, bring it under my chin. Melina turns 3, 4. And we're going to finish this with a wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we repeat. Underarm, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4.